In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok Imagine. By the end, you'll be comfortable generating both images and short animations, and you'll know exactly where each setting lives so you can create the results you want. Start by opening Grok Imagine. You can visit the Grok website in your browser or open the Grok tab inside the X app. Sign in with your account so your creations and settings can be saved. Once you're in, look for the Imagine option in the main navigation or the sidebar. That's the workspace where you'll set up your prompt and choose how your content is generated. Next, decide what you want to make, an image or an animation. Images are perfect for posters, thumbnails, or concept art. Animations generate a brief moving clip, great for motion previews, social posts, or quick storytelling. Pick the mode that matches your goal before you write your prompt. Now select an aspect ratio. This controls the shape of your output. Choose a square format for grid posts, vertical for stories and reels, or widescreen for presentations and banners. Picking the right ratio up front helps you avoid awkward crops later. If you're creating a video and you have premium access, set the duration and resolution. Longer clips and higher resolutions provide more detail and smoother motion, but they also take longer to render. If you're not on the premium tier, default settings will be applied automatically and the system will generate a short clip. Type a clear descriptive prompt in the text box. Include the subject, environment, mood, lighting, and any style cues you care about. For instance, specify the time of day, materials, or color palette to guide the model toward your vision. For images, be explicit about styling and composition. Think realism versus illustration, lens size, or art movement. For videos, describe motion and action in plain language. Indicate what moves, how it moves, and the pacing. If helpful, mention camera behavior like a slow zoom or a sweeping pan. When you're ready, click the render or generate button. The system will process your request and output either a still image or a short animated clip, typically around 6 seconds. Give it a moment to work. Longer or higher resolution jobs take more time. After it finishes, open the image or clip editor to refine details. This is where you can make targeted adjustments to improve the final look and feel. If you're happy with the result, save it to your favorites so you can find it quickly later, reuse the prompt, or build on it in future projects. That's all you need to start creating with Grok Imagine.